Hello everyone, I Shilpa Bhandari, Faculty of MBA Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. So today we are going to discuss about the incentive schemes, or we can also call it as payment by results. So let's first understand by the incentive plan. A good incentive plan should encourage the workers to work hard and produce more than the standard production set for them. Broadly speaking, the various wage incentive plans are classified into two major groups. Number one is the individual incentive plans and number two is the group incentive plans. So let's understand what are the individual incentive plans. Under this, earnings are directly related to the performance of the individual employees. So number one type of this individual incentive plan is the Halsey Premium Plan. This incentive plan was devised by P.A. Halsey. So the system is a simple combination of the time-speed basis of payment. Under this plan, a minimum time wage is guaranteed to every worker. So a standard time is fixed for the completion of a job. So if a worker performs his job in less than the standard time, he is rewarded. But there is no penalty for performing the job in more than the standard time fixed. Next type of individual incentive plan is your Rowan bonus plan. Rowan plan is a modification of the Halsey plan. It guarantees the minimum time wages and does not penalize the slow worker. Even a standard time as fixed for the completion of a job, and the bonus is paid on the basis of time saved. Next type of individual incentive plan is your Emerson Efficiency Plan. So under this plan, a minimum time wage is guaranteed to the workers, conditions of work are standardized and the standard output is fixed, which is to be completed within a specified period of time. And the next type of individual incentive plan is your BDOX point plan. So under this plan, the minute is the time unit described as the standard minute and accounted as the BDOX point, that is called B. So in determining the B's, the time of operation and the time of the rest taken into account. So thus B may be defined as a fraction of a minute of effort plus a fraction of compensation rest, always aggregating unity. So the standard time for each job is fixed after undertaking the time and motion study and expressed in terms of B. So the standard time for a job is the number of Bs allowed to complete it. So thus, if the standard time required for a job is 5 hours, it will express as 300 Bs. So the next type of individual incentive plan is your Taylor's differential piece rate system. The Taylor's plans is based on the piece rate method and does not guarantee a minimum time wage. Under this plan, the standard output per hour or per day of the worker is fixed. So the next type of individual incentive plan is your Merrick's multiple piece rate plan. Merrick introduced 3 piece rate and made the lowest piece rate equal to the ordinary piece rate, which became the basic piece rate. Next is your Gant's task and the bonus wage plan. It was developed by the Henry L. Gant, a close associate of F.W. Taylor. Under it, a standard time for every task is fixed through time and motion study. So minimum time is guaranteed to all the workers. A worker who fails to complete the task within the standard time receives wages for the actual time spent at the specified rate. Workers who achieve or exceed the standard gets extra bonus varying between the 20% to 50% of the hourly rate for the time allowed for the task. So here we are done with the individual incentive plans. So now let's talk about the group incentive plans. So in a group incentive plans, the bonus is calculated for a group of workers and the total amount is distributed among the group members on one of the following bases. So these bases are, number one is your Priestman plan. Under this plan, productivity of the group as a whole is there from the starting point. So the standard output is laid down for the group. However, a minimum wage is assured to each group member. The group members become entitled to the bonus if their output exceeds the standard. Next type of group incentive plan is your gain sharing plan. Tommy devised this plan. Under this plan, half of the savings in labor cost as a result of output in excess of the standard is distributed among the workers and foremen. And bonus is paid half yearly. The percentage of the foreman is fixed in advance. So I hope you understood the lecture very well. For more lectures, for more such lectures, please like, comment and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.